Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the Modway Render Vanity Floor, a double sink vanity that promises to elevate your bathroom's style and functionality. If you're looking for the best double vanity sink for your bathroom, this modern, mid-century design could be just what you need. The Modway Render Vanity combines sleek, clean lines with an organic aesthetic that reflects mid-century modern design. It's a perfect fit for those wanting a vanity that brings style and practicality to their bathroom or powder room. Standing at 48 inches wide, this vanity offers plenty of space for two sinks, making it an ideal choice for shared bathrooms or larger spaces. Crafted with a durable MDF and particle board frame, the vanity is topped with a walnut grain laminate finish. The design is complemented by 4 tapered wood legs, adding a vintage flair to its modern silhouette. The quality of construction is evident, as it's built to last and designed for easy maintenance. The highlight of this vanity is its dual ceramic sinks, which not only look sleek but also offer practical functionality. The sinks come with an integrated countertop and feature 8-inch widespread faucet holes, allowing you to choose the faucet style that suits your taste. However, it's important to note that the faucets themselves are not included, so you'll need to pick them up separately. Storage is always a concern in a bathroom, and the Modway Render Vanity doesn't disappoint. With 2 full extension drawers and soft close hinged doors, you'll have ample room to store your bathroom essentials, keeping everything neat and organized. The soft close feature ensures that your drawers and doors won't slam, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. This vanity is available in a walnut black color, which gives it a warm, rich tone that can complement a variety of bathroom decor styles. Whether you're outfitting a modern bathroom or looking to add a touch of retro charm, this vanity will seamlessly integrate into your space. Assembly is required, so be prepared to spend some time putting it together. However, once complete, you'll have a functional and stylish piece that enhances the look of your bathroom. The dimensions are 48 inches in width, 18.5 inches in depth, and 32.5 inches in height, providing enough space for the sinks and ample storage underneath. In conclusion, the Modway Render Vanity Floor with double sinks is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a combination of style, functionality, and durability in a bathroom vanity. Its mid-century modern design, quality construction, and practical storage make it one of the best double vanity sinks available. If you're ready to elevate your bathroom's aesthetic and make it more functional, the Modway Render Vanity might just be the perfect addition. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.